Hello and welcome to Kozel Steel. We are proud to have served Western New York for over 64 years, and we have shipped structural steel jobs from the middle of Maine all the way down to Mississippi. Our yard is over 8 acres with a 20,000 square foot fabrication shop. We have 4 craneways, each with a different purpose. They allow for efficient loading and unloading of material. The fabrication shop is fed by 2 hydraulic conveyors that allow for smooth operation in and out. Our transfer tables allow us to stack beams in the order needed and reduce the time loading when sawing. The Pettinghouse DG1100 has a 12.5 horsepower blade drive motor with a 60-degree miter swing in the left and right orientation, allowing for 90, 45, and 30-degree cuts. The Ocean Avenger CNC drill line allows for hands-off drilling. The drill spindle allows for up to 1 9/16 holes and through any thickness up to 10 inches. Not only does it drill beams and columns, easily processes channel, angle, base plates, flat bar, square, and round profiles alike. Our expansive fabrication shop allows for many different stages to happen all at once. Our angle clipper machine drills, punches, and shears with ease, and the DG410 bandsaw allows our crew to cut material with precision without clogging up our main conveyor. The Siegmund fabrication table allows our fabricators to set up and remove jigs with no downtime, ensuring your project is on time and precise. Whether it's railings, stairs, or anything in between, you know we'll get the job done right. The plasma table allows us to cut out the shapes that aren't uniform, ensuring no design is too complex or out of reach. The plate shear and sunrise ironworker provide our fabricators with safe and effective ways to continue the work without slowdowns or stoppage. Our rebar department is stocked with 30, 20, and 10-foot pieces and can custom order any length that you need. Got a large order? No problem. Our shear is set to cut any size up to number 18, and our Schnell automatic stirrup bender can bend most shapes easily. From box ties and hoops to trench bar, there is a solution for all your needs. We do all the bending, so you don't have to. At Kozel Steel, we promise your job done the right way and without any of the headaches. Want more information? Give us a call or find us on Facebook and see the difference that we can make for you.